You understand what I say? Anyway, back to you and your 10 million question.
Yeah. Earlier you meant, you know the thing I love about you?
What is
you
that?
look like you take care of yourself.
Except me here.
You look like your beard.
You look
like
hey, me look at my beard. Me don't look oily.
You look like your beard often.
Oh, you know that. What gave you that indication?
You smell good. And your shoes clean. And him fingernail clean too. So he's practicing what he's preaching. But you ask me what kind of guys I like. What kind of girl you like?
Me personally, let me not cap like some of them man and say, I like a girl with a nice personality. She have to look good first. I want somebody I can wake up to in the morning. I want she have boogie in her eye and that matter in her nose. Boogie in her nose and matter in her eye.
Yeah.
And we go so I can get up to her and say, oh, this is my girl. She look fantastic. You understand the message? So she have a physically appealing first. Because first of all, I can't tell your personality when you're across the room. So you got to be very easy on the eyes. No. When it
so
comes
you don't
to
believe that beauty from within?
Me not gonna know what within. Me just see her from across the room. I'm gonna know what she have within.
So
unless it's a one night and you understand me, I say, just going on the inside. But otherwise from that, personality if I come second because I'm attracted to her physically and then I go over to her, talk to her, try to get to know her. And then when I find out her personality, you know, she have a nice personality. She gotta be, you know, she have a nice sense of humor. You know, definitely hygiene for up, smell good, come and like kiss girl and smell them breath from my top lip right there. So that is nasty and disgusting. That's why I'm not really that much of a kisser because I got scarred. I remember one time I kissed this girl and all her breath up on my top lip. It stink.
So you never smell the breath come towards you before you do all of that?
No.
So what elephant man would I say if him get caught up in a
Jesus Christ, what is not star? But no fear them a bun off. Mama, what is when I'm garlic and garbage? Jesus Christ. Your belly smell like gutter bottom, mama. You understand what I say?
Oh, gutter bottom smell. Oh, gutter bottom.
You never smell a gutter yet?
But why you go gutter bottom?
Because I'm very descriptive.
Okay.
I thank you, bye.
Jaja.
Anyway, next question. Yeah, so alright, so she have to look good, personality. She gotta be kind.
No ugly girl.
No, I'm not like ugly girl.
What do you call ugly though?
Girls who are ugly based on societal standards. The same standards where me and you all are the same beauty.
Me and you,
yes.
everybody pretty in my eyes. Yes.
You see them girls are evil?
Everybody look good, sir. Don't tell me, sir. I don't know. I don't want to ask you the next question, you know. I don't want to ask you the next question.
I like pretty girl. I like girl that's smart. I like girl that mean. Any girl that just want to take and not give man nothing. I don't want to see you. You understand what I say? If you want a traditional man and you want to be a modern woman, I don't want to see you. I don't want to say no. I want to look at tiki.
Suppose you meet this girl, right?
Yeah.
And she said to you, hey, I want you to, my rent due, and I caught up in some situation. And you're just 1 month into dating.
I'm never talking to her again.
Why?
No.
Well, what if the situation's sincere?
I don't give a shit.
You just help the girl.
You just met me. That's a burden to put on someone that you just met. I'm sure you have family members and other friends that's been in your life for a long period of time that you can ask for that.
Yeah, but you and her 1 month dating and she said,
we're dating.
What? Yeah, but
if she was my girlfriend now, no.
Okay.
If she was my girlfriend now.
But if you ask her, she okay. I'm not okay because my rent's supposed to pay.
I'm not doing that. I'm not doing that. It could be sincere, but knowing the climate that we're in right now and knowing that girls do that just to come up on a guy, I won't do it.
You have a point. And some of these ladies make it bad for us too.
Yeah. I mean, it's crazy. And me I see free food in a phone from when I go high school. I'm left high school a long time now.
All right.
Because I say, I know a whole heap of female friend and them teach me the game and show me the game.
That's someone woman terrible.
Free food.
Dating for food.
Me see that personally. Free food.
Jesus, true. Me hear people say
some people hear it, but I've seen it. I've seen it. Jesus. Free food. Yes. 1876 number. I understand I said them time in high school, me I go ask me say, is it me?
This is my personal belief. I feel like I can date a lot of people until I find the person that I want
The right
to settle
person.
down with. What do you think?
I agree.
So you
Unless
can just-
I agree. Yeah. Unless the only time I won't agree is if you don't want the other person to do the same thing.
Oh, okay. So you just date.
Yeah, I agree.
10
But me
people.
personally, I don't have no time for that. I don't have no time for that. I swear to God. Me go on the 1-1-1.
1-1?
Yeah, I can't juggle
So
so
just
many
date
people
one person.
at a time. Yeah.
But what if it's not the person?
Then
just
you move
cut it up and
on.
move on to
Yeah,
the next
yeah,
person?
yeah.
So how about dating like multiple people, like 4 or 5?
That's taken away from me being productive. That's too much time I gotta
True.
put into other people.
That's true.
I refuse to date more than one people at a time. I create content every day, and that's the majority of my day is creating, working for myself. So if I put, if I times that energy that I would put into one person by 5, that's basically half my day gone, and I'm gonna have half my day left to create content, which is half productivity cut.
True.
So that's how I look at things. You see me? I
Very
look
calculative.
yeah.
though.
I don't have the time nor the energy to take all those phone calls and send all those texts. I can't. I tell you right now.
Very, very, very calculated.
Yeah, I'm can't
And very
that.
disciplined.
Yeah. See me retention. Zin,
It's important.
stop bash some waste gal road. You see me?
Jesus, leave the girl them alone.
No, real
Not about
talk.
the female
Some
them.
girls are waste girl and some man are waste man. And
True.
I'll tell some of these girls to stop lay down with waste man.
And ladies, he's right.
Yeah. Stop lay down with waste. As simple. It's just that when I say woman a waste woman, it's like the girl them think it's a bash thing, but you have waste pan both gender. Only just them just a wait pan me if say the man them too. But I don't mean if you say the man them, or only if you say the man them. Them for say it.
Yeah,
So when time, stop sleeping with a waste man. So when time me say your dog, stop laying with some waste girl. It's not supposed to be seen as a hit out. Like, oh, you hate women. No, because when woman I say men ain't shit. You know what I do? I don't mean shit talk, but shit talk about the other man them with your experience.
True.
So when time me hear woman I say your men ain't shit, I just stay quiet. I don't mean shit talk. Hit dogs holler.
And you're not that one.
I mean not go.
Yeah, we have to talk for ourselves because we can't talk for everybody out there.
Exactly. You see me? So it's just a pre-way from a time that time I say, yo, people should just speak what they want. I speak what I want to speak regardless, because you know what? People are going to hate you regardless. I've seen people that do nothing but good in life still get hated. Sure. So you know what I'm going to do? I'm going to give you something to hate me for. It makes sense. Because if you hate me for doing good, I wrong back me. I'll give you something for hate me for.
Fact.
And I'm going to say whatever the hell I want to say.
You're very talented. You know that?
Thank you.
You're very, very talented.
What kind of girl they want next to you? Me love the girl them be fluffy and flexible. Girl for clean and no green like flexible. Smart and shape like biscuity and flexible.
I was waiting for that.
She's a father. You can't in the wrong. For your old man, you the tan panny long. For your old man, you're full of strength. Now you true me, you have to lift the belly every time we are ram. You understand me, brethren?
That's the belly.
Girl them for clean and no smell like where they're in.
And then the belly coming, the belly take the belly out of the leggings part coming up.
Yeah. She said, every time I plead, every time I begging, I take the belly out of the leggings. I don't remember it, so it kind of half beat. But yeah,